Here we are at HPB Expo 2025 inside the Jøtul booth. Now there's not a whole lot of brands in the marketplace that actually are synonymous with quality and beautifully built products, but Jøtul's one of those. That's one of those that consumers hear the name Jøtul and they understand what they're buying. That's a name brand that actually brings people in, and here's what made them famous. This is their wood burning product setup, and what you see here is their Oslo, the F500, which is their bread and butter. It's their largest stove. This is the blue-black finish, a beautifully designed Norwegian craftsmanship stove that just speaks for itself about beauty, efficiency, and production. Their newest 445, which is just a step down from the Oslo, which gives us something that's a little bit smaller footprint, but all the kind of performance we get here in a slightly smaller package. Again, with these two products, we're using their fusion technology. And then we get into what is their turbulator technology, which is the non-cat stuff. This is the stuff that has all of the heat and performance and the support of the Jøtul name without having all of the price that comes with it. So, the next thing is one thing that's been missing out of their product line for so long, and that is the 550. It had a hole in their lineup. And unfortunately, with regulations, we had to step around that, but it is back. And this is something we can all get excited about. All of that performance that we used to have is right back in the same footprint we used to have with such a successful product. This product, flush front, beautiful front, tapered back, still uses the fusion technology to hit all the price points we need it to hit. Here we go again at the Jøtul booth at HPB Expo 2025 in New Orleans. The infamous Jøtul 602, finally on version 3. The nice thing about this is it's all the same package it's always been, all the performance, everything that you've seen from this for decades of success is now in a package that, one, hits the tax credit eligibility, and two, changes the requirements. We can put this now on a Type 1 floor pad instead of requiring Type 2. So here we go with a brand new, improved version of what is a tried and true product through the Jøtul brand name. Jøtul booth 2025 HPB Expo, the most underserved part of the Jøtul product line. Everybody understands Jøtul quality and what that means, and it's synonymous with wood and years and generations of quality wood product. But look at the beauty they have in their gas line. Here's a product line that is so underserved and so missed. With the Jøtul 370, one of the unique designs and one of the most beautiful flame patterns we see in a package. This is something where people may not want to have to build an entire fireplace. You can get all the heat, the efficiency, the beauty, and the design of something in a package like this. The new 520, easily serviceable down below. We could actually put combustible materials down here with wood to finish off that look. Redesigned front to give us viewing on all three sides. Same beautiful birch log set. Or we even have our traditional lineups with something like this, or even the new brown enamel that we have over here. But what's next is the one part that I think is the most undersold part of the Jøtul line. To have that quality, that craftsmanship, and that name brand behind it is the Jøtul insert line. This is what people miss. Beautiful flame pattern, extraordinary design, wonderful design logs, beautiful quality fronts, finishes, designs, tons of BTU range. This is a product that I think most people don't even know exists in the Jøtul line, and it's a shame. So if you're looking for an insert to fill out your portfolio or your lineup that's quality, well built, with beautiful design, don't overlook this.